Hello, everyone. My name is Sandile Dlamini. Today, I'm here to tell you a story behind Juiceme, a company that makes any day is payday through WhatsApp. It all started with one of my employees, a sales agent in my previous company. Every second week of the month, Emma will come to me and say, "Boss, can I have some juice? Things are bad. I don't even have money for transport." As a small company, I had working capital constraints, so I often tell my employees to go borrow money. Little did I know that refusing to give them a salary advance, I was pushing them towards loan sharks, charging over 30% interest. But they didn't have any choice but to take these loans. The financial stress affected Emma's performance. His sales went down, he would come late, and sometimes he didn't show up at all. My business struggled. The time and cost of hiring and training new sales agents increased. This was really hurting my bottom line. Emma's words, "Boss, can I have some juice?" stayed with me. They reflected the struggle faced by many businesses and employees across Africa. Witnessing this widespread problem, I saw an opportunity. I started Juiceme. Our mission is to make sure that any day is payday for employees for the days they've worked through their favorite app, WhatsApp. We make money by charging them a withdrawal fee, 50 naira for every 1,000. Our technology connects to payroll and HR systems. When the employee sends a message to our WhatsApp chatbot, "Hello," the chatbot sends back a message and says, with the number of days worked and how much money the employee can access. During payday, the amount of money the employee has withdrawn is automatically deducted and sent back to us. So far, we have processed over 30,000 transactions, achieved 92% retention rate, and maintained 0 default rates. Over the past 8 weeks, we've been able to partner with payroll companies and unlock over 200,000 employees and secured a liquidity partner to continue on this mission. Across Africa, there are over 430 million employees like Emma. This makes a lending market opportunity of over $70 billion. Unlocking the potential of any day is payday marks an exciting beginning of a financial revolution. Soon, we will start adding bill payments, savings, investments, and e-commerce, solutions that every employee needs to improve their financial lives. This is the story of Juiceme. And welcome everyone to an exciting future where any day is payday through WhatsApp. Thank you.